Welcome to Raghava Creation. Maths is easy. Do subscribe our channel. Let's learn maths in an easy and interesting way. Welcome students of Standard 7. Today let's learn the Chapter 3 Algebra, Term 1, and let's see the sums in exercise 3.1. So first, what is algebra? Algebra is the use of letters and symbols to represent values and their relations, especially for solving equations. So the combination of each letter and symbols are called algebraic expressions. So let's see the various terms used in algebra. So for example, when you take this equation, 5x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 16. This is an algebraic equation because you have an equal to sign. 5x squared plus 2x minus 8 alone is an expression. And here the alphabets are called as the variables, and the number that is accompanied with the variable is called as the coefficient. The number without a variable is called as the constant term. Here you have three terms in this expression. You have 5x squared one term, 2x is another term, and 8 constant is another term. And you have two operators plus and minus. So let's see the definitions again. Varying quantity represented by the letter or symbol is called a variable. Constant is a fixed quantity that does not vary. Coefficient is a number which multiplies a variable. Example 5x. So the coefficient of x is 5 and the coefficient of 5 is x. So here we call 5 as the numerical coefficient and x as the literal coefficient. Exponent. So here you have the raised number, power number, which is the exponent. It shows a number of times a variable or number is multiplied by itself. Operators are the symbols indicating what operation must be done. Term is one part of an expression which may be a number, a variable, or a product of both the number and variable. So 5x squared is a term, 4xy is a term, 12 is also a term. Expression is one or a group of terms, may include variables, constants, operators, and grouping symbols. Example 5x squared plus 2x into x plus 2 minus 8. So here you have, it's an expression with three terms, one term, second term, and third term. So let's see. Here you again have the same thing, an equation where 5 is a coefficient, x is a variable, 7 is a constant term, and 5x plus 7 is an expression. 5x is a term, 7 is a term, which is equal to another expression, root 2. Like and unlike terms. Like and unlike algebraic terms. So when you have the same variables, they are called as like terms. And unlike terms, when you have different variables, they are called unlike terms. These are terms that have exactly the same algebraic variable factors. Here you can see all of them are in the same color. So if they are same, if the variables are same with the powers also being same, they are called as like terms. Here we can see all with different color cartoons. So that means terms that have different algebraic factors are known as unlike terms. Types of expression. So algebraic expressions can be divided into 4 types based on their number of terms. If there is only one term, then the expression is called as a monomial. For example, 6xy squared. Though x, y, 6 are three different, a variable and coefficient are combined together, they are all multiplied together. That is the reason they become as one term. Terms can be separated using addition and subtraction sign. Binomial. The expression that contains two unlike terms is called a binomial. For example, 4xy plus 8xy. So can be two like terms or here they are like terms. It can be two like terms or unlike terms also combined together is called as a binomial. Trinomial is with three terms. The expression contains three unlike terms is called as a trinomial. 4xy plus 9xy minus 8xy squared. Polynomial. The expressions with more than two terms itself is called as a polynomial. Trinomial is also a polynomial. Let's move into the exercise. Fill in the blanks. The variable in the expression minus 7 is dash. X is the variable. The constant term of the expression 2y minus 6 is dash. So here the constant term is minus 6. In the expression 2m to 25m plus 14n, the type of the terms are. So you have one with the m term and the other one with the n term. So they are unlike terms. The number of terms in the expression 3ab plus 4c minus 9. So there you have three terms. 3ab is one term, 4c is another term, and 9 is a constant term. So you have 1, 2, 3 terms. The numerical coefficient of the term minus xy. So as I told you already, the number is a numerical coefficient and the variables are called as the literal coefficient. So here they are asking you for the numerical coefficient. So since there is no number, it is taken as 1. So minus 1 is the numerical coefficient of the term minus xy. Say true or false. X plus minus x is equals to 0. Yes. So when you add both, it becomes 0. So it's true. The coefficient of AB in the term 15ABC is 15. So it is false because they are asking you for AB. So for the coefficient of AB is 15C. Both numerical and the literal coefficient will be combined together. 2PQ minus 7QP are like terms. Yes, it is true. PQ and QP is the same. When y is equals to minus 1, the value of the expression 2y minus is 3. 2y minus 1 is 3. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 is minus 3. So the statement is false here. So sum number 3. Find the numerical coefficients of each of the following terms. So here you have minus 3yx first. So numerical coefficient of minus 3yx is minus 3. 12k is 12. Y is 1. When you don't have a number, it's understood the coefficient is 1. 121 ABC is 121. Minus x is minus 1. 9PQ is 9. 2AB is 2. Write the variables, constants, and terms of the following expressions. So 18 plus x minus y. So these are the questions. So here you have the expression, variable, constant, and the terms. So 18 plus x minus y, the variables are x and y. Constant term is a number without the variable, so 18. Terms are 18 is a term, x is a term, minus y is a term. Second one, 7p, variable is p and q. Constant term is plus 5 and terms are 7p, minus 4q and 5. Third one, variables are x and y. There is no constant term here, so it is 0. And the terms are 29x and 13y. Next one, the variable is b. Constant is 2. Terms are b and 2. Okay, so now we'll move on to sum number 5. Identify the like terms among the following. So what are the like terms which are given here? 7x, minus 8x, minus 12x are like term. When you take the y terms, 5y, 12y, minus 9y. And when we take the z terms, it is 6z, z, and 11z. So if x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3, then find the value of the following expressions. 2x minus 3y. So 2 into x is 2 minus 3 into y is 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. The second one is x plus 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 4y minus x. So 4 into 3 minus 2. So 12 minus 2 is 10. X plus 1 minus y. 2 plus 1 minus 3, which is 3 minus 3 is 0. Next, objective type questions. An algebraic statement which is equivalent to the verbal statement 3 times the sum of x and y is 3 times the sum of x and y. X and y is x plus y into 3. Okay, next sum. The numerical coefficient of minus 7mn. Numerical coefficient, so the answer is minus 7. Choose the pair of like terms. So here you have 7p, 7x, 7r, 7x, 4, minus 4x, 4, minus 4x and 7x. Like terms are terms with the same variables. So minus 4x and 7x is the answer. The value of 7a minus 4b when a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 2 is 7 into 3 minus 4 into 2. 7 into 3 is 21 minus 4 into 2 is 18. So when you subtract both, you get 13 as the answer. And there we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching Raghava Creations. Maths is easy. Let's learn maths in an easy and interesting way.